Hi guys, great day. This is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna compare the sound of this Tronsmart Splash 1 speaker and this JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. So let's go. By the way, guys, before we start, I would like you to please press the subscribe button and the notification icon so you will be updated every time we upload. And the audio, the sound that you're about to hear here is unfiltered. Therefore, you're gonna hear background noises and the things in my background, including our birds here in the house. So let's go straight to the sound test and let's just open up first this Tronsmart Splash 1 Bluetooth speaker. By the way, I have made an unboxing of this in my other videos. You could check that out. So let's check again if this has been connected. All right, you've heard the sound, and let's gonna try it with some copyright free music right there. So here you go. Alright, so that's the Tronsmart Splash 1. And now we're gonna try the JBL Go 3. So let's power on the Bluetooth speaker right here. Alright, it's now connected. Let's play some music. Alright, so let's turn that off. So now it's your turn to decide which one do you love, the Tronsmart Splash 1 or the JBL Go 3. This is the sound check. Now we're doing this because we want you to decide which you love best. This is unfiltered sound right here. So for me, I'd go for the Go 3. By the way, guys, thank you very much for being here. Please subscribe and then click the notification icon. This is Rai for a Bluetooth speaker sound test comparison. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye.